Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we're discussing a significant development in India's tax system as the Indian government prepares to implement the Direct Tax Code or DTC 2025, which is set to replace the long-standing Income Tax Act of 1961. This major reform aims to simplify tax compliance and modernize the country's taxation laws, making them more aligned with the current economic landscape. The DTC 2025 is expected to address the complexities that have emerged in the 60-plus years since the Income Tax Act was introduced. With an ever-evolving economy, globalization, and the rise of digital businesses, India's tax laws have struggled to keep up. The new code will aim to reduce the burden on taxpayers, promote transparency, and curb tax evasion. Finance Ministry officials have highlighted some key features of the DTC, such as simplifying tax slabs, reducing corporate tax rates, and promoting digital transactions. The code also seeks to reduce litigation by providing clearer guidelines on issues like transfer pricing and international taxation. On the business side, companies are expected to benefit from lower corporate tax rates and easier compliance measures. Small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, will find it simpler to file taxes, and startups may see additional incentives to boost innovation and investment. However, critics have raised concerns about the transition period, with worries that adapting to the new system may cause confusion and short-term revenue losses for the government. High-income earners and corporations benefiting from exemptions under the current system are expected to resist the change. Despite the challenges, this reform is a step toward creating a fairer and more efficient tax regime for India, positioning the country's economy for long-term growth. Thank you for joining us today to discuss the upcoming Direct Tax Code 2025 and its potential impact on India's tax landscape. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to KLM Institute for more insightful news on finance, politics, and global affairs. Have thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to discuss. Stay tuned for more updates on this significant tax reform and its effects on businesses and individuals across the nation.